Hi, this is Teacher Rika once again. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. For today, I'll be unboxing what I have purchased from Lazada, which is a BOYA by-M1000 condenser microphone. Allow me to show you what's in the box. So here's the box of BOYA by-M1000 large diaphragm condenser microphone. On the upper right side corner, there is this QR code to check whether the unit is original or not. And then, inside the box, you will see a protective foam that secures the entire unit and its contents. So let's open this time now. So the contents of this particular unit includes the following. One is this BY-M1000 condenser microphone, and then it contains its pop shield. This one is the pop shield, and then on the upper lower part is what you call the shock mount. This protects the unit from getting damaged. And then there is also an included 3-meter or 10 feet balanced XLR cable. Okay, this one. This is what you connect in the 48V phantom power. By the way, this particular unit requires either 48V or 24V phantom power. So that's one of the requirements to make it work. I also found these rubber bands inside the foam, but I have yet to figure out how to use them and where they are used. And then there is also an inclusion of the warranty card and of course the manual. So here's the manual that contains the explanation of all the parts and how they are used. Alright, this time, let me explain to you the different functions of our condensed microphone. So there are actually 3 polar patterns. The first one is omnidirectional, followed by the bidirectional, and then you also have the cardioid. Okay. Let me first start explaining what is omnidirectional. So that's the first function of our mic. When we say omnidirectional, in principle, it will pick up the sound equally from all directions. So let's say you put you select the option that is omnidirectional. It can pick up all the sounds from the surrounding, and whether the sound resource is from the front, from the side, or even at the back, the microphone will record the signals all with equal gain. So that's the advantage of that. And this polar pattern can be very useful in applications where sound needs to be recorded from multiple directions, such as a musical performance where there is a band of musical instruments in front and a choir singing behind. So that is omnidirectional. Or let's say in a room, so let's say if I place it here, any sound from this room will be absorbed by our microphone. Then the second one would be bidirectional. Bidirectional polar pattern is figure of 8 pattern and picks up sound equal sensitivity from 2 opposite directions. That's the front and then the back of this microphone, and with low sensitivity from the sides. So at this area, medyo mahina yung kanyang pickup. There is a lower pickup of sounds from both sides. This polar pattern is the best suited for interview, especially if your interviewee does not have any microphone with him or her. It can also be for Q&A, lecture, or presentation. Acoustic instruments. So if you're fond of playing guitar or any other musical instruments or acoustic musical instruments, bidirectional is a good choice. And also for live recordings of jazz and acoustic groups. And the last one, the cardioid, the lower option, this one focuses audio capture in front of the capsule. Okay? It minimizes unwanted ambient sound from the other sides and back of the microphone. So ideally, if you choose the cardioid polar pattern, it will only pick up specific sound sources such as recording vocals, guitar, pianos, stringed instruments, and more. Meanwhile, at the other side of the microphone contains also two features of gains. So one is a high-pass filter and then the other one is a negative 10 decibels pad switch. So the first one is a low-cut filter at 150 Hz that allows you to eliminate low-frequency hum and other low-frequency noises. And then the other one, negative 10 decibels, had switch that provides more headroom when capturing transient signals that may otherwise cause peak distortion. So this particular microphone would require you to make use of 24V or 48V phantom power. So this one is an example of a phantom power that I will be using with my microphone the soonest possible time, especially when I'm able to complete all the accessories that I need for me to be able to make the mic work. But in due time, while I'm waiting for my other orders, this is my honest impression about the unit, about the microphone, and later on, I'll also show you how to set it up and how I will make it work. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.